Hello everyone, in this video we will see about Zojila Tunnel which is expected to be get completed by 2028. So before moving further into the video, I brought a question for you all. So question asks that high altitude warfare school of Indian Army is located at which of the following place? So there are four options given. You can attempt this question. I will discuss the answer of this question at the end of this video. So before understanding Zojila Tunnel, first we have to understand National Highway 1D. National Highway 1D basically starts from Srinagar and it ends at Leh. Here you can see it starts from Srinagar and it ends at Leh, and in between it crosses from Kargil. So basically it is 422-kilometer long road and it is maintained by Border Road Organization. Most part of the National Highway 1D crosses through extremely dangerous terrain and lot of passes also come. And this road generally remain open for traffic from June to October, and rest of the year this road get closed. And due to closing of this road in winter season, entire Ladakh region get disconnected from Kashmir Valley. As you can see, here is Ladakh and here is Kashmir Valley, and so this region get fully disconnected from this region during winter season. So it causes a lot of problem for Indian Army as well as local people, because all the peoples of Ladakh get fully dependent upon their local resources. No food material and other things get supplied from rest of India to Ladakh due to closing of this National Highway 1D. So now we will see about Zojila. Zojila is basically located in Dras town of Kargil district. It is a high mountainous pass and it is approximately situated at 11,000 feet. So now we will see history of Zojila. Zojila was captured by Pakistani army during First Kashmir War. And again, First Kashmir War is very big topic, but here we try to see some brief point about it. So here you can see this is map of entire Jammu and Kashmir. During the time of partition, the ruler of Jammu Kashmir was Raja Hari Singh, and he decided not to go with either Pakistan nor with India. But Pakistan started annexing the land of Jammu Kashmir by attacking their borders. And in few days only, Pakistani army captured area till Srinagar. Whole this area including Jojila, Kargil, Baramulla, Uri, and till Srinagar, whole area was under the control of Pakistani army. So by seeing this, Raja Harishan decided to go with India and merge entire Jammu Kashmir with India. And after that only Indian army get access to Jammu Kashmir and they started pushing back Pakistani army. And Indian army successfully recaptured Srinagar, Jojila, Kargil, Dras and many areas. And when Indian army is present here, at that time ceasefire was declared. And this line only today known as LOC or line of control. Here you can find LAC, line of actual control. This is Sakgam Valley area which Pakistan gifted to China. This area is Aksai Chin which China captured in 1962 war. So many area was captured by Pakistani army during 1947 war. So for recapturing of Jojila and various other parts, Indian army launched Operation Bison. As Jojila was very crucial because meaning of losing Jojila means losing entire Ladakh region. So for recapturing of Jojila, Indian army started deploying tank at Jojila, and at that time it was nearly too impossible because before that tank was never used at such a massive height of 11,000 feet. So here you can see tank at Jojila. And as the Pakistani army seen tanks at Jojila, all their confidence suddenly go away because they never expected that Indian army will deploy tank at such a massive height. And all this operation took place at minus 25 degrees Celsius and without availability of any proper clothing material. And same thing happened during Kargil War of 1999. Pakistani army captured Tiger Hill and Tololing Hill and they started heavy firing on National Highway 1D. Main aim of Pakistani army was to capture National Highway 1D and Jojila and ultimately cut off Ladakh with rest of India. As here you can see, Pakistani army want to capture this part and cut off Ladakh with rest of India. So now we will see Jojila tunnel. It is an under construction tunnel to be built below Jojila Pass so we can cross Jojila Pass all the seasons of the year. Jojila tunnel to be built between Matayan and Baltal area of Kargil district. We will see these two area in maps in few minutes. So here you can see Jojila tunnel to be built between Baltal and Minamarg Total length of this tunnel will be 14.2 km. There will be two terminals in the tunnel, one for going and one for coming. And when this tunnel will be completed, this will be longest bi-directional tunnel of Asia at any height. Now we will see project timeline of Zojila tunnel. So basically, idea of building a tunnel under Zojila Pass was started after Kargil war only. After that, feasibility study was conducted, and after finalizing area of building project in 2013, Union Cabinet approved the road tunnel project. So for this project, four companies started bidding. First was Larsens and Turbo. Second was Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Service. Third was Java Infratech, and fourth one Reliance Infra. And finally, this project was handed over to ILFCS, who built a Syama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, which is basically known as Chinari Nesari Tunnel, which joined Jammu to Srinagar. Union Cabinet approved a total money of 7,000 crore for this project, and in this 7,000 crore, almost 4,800 crore for building tunnel and rest of the money for land acquisition. But after some years, ILFCS got bankrupted. So basically, this project get halted. And after that, this project was transferred to Megha Engineering, and in October 2020, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari done first blast for the beginning of construction of this tunnel. This tunnel will have all latest safety features such as proper ventilation system, proper power supply, proper CCTV monitoring, and will have proper firefighting system, proper pedestrian cross at few meters. So here you can see this is map of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, and we will see towards Srinagar. From Srinagar only National Highway 1D starts, and at the border of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh we will find Zojila Pass and Zojila tunnel to be built between Baltal and Matayan. If we see in satellite mode, you can have a clear view of Zojila Pass. It is the most dangerous pass of the world, or you can say one of the most dangerous pass of the world. So now I will play a video, and from this video you will easily understand that how ice block the Zojila Pass. So like this only whole path of Zojila Pass got blocked, and these machines cut the ice to clear the path, and like in this way whole winter Zojila Pass will remain closed. So now coming back to our question, high altitude warfare school of Indian Army is located at Gulmarg. So basically here Indian Army personnel are given training for fighting at high altitude like Siachen and other areas. Here you can see the picture of high altitude warfare school. So I tried my best to explain you all things, and thank you very much for watching this video.